In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an app from your iPhone or iOS device. And if you're having an error where you can only remove apps from your home screen and not able to delete, I'll show you what's happening there and how to fix it. First, let's look at how to delete an app if everything is good to go. We'll look at removing this game here. To get to the delete option, just press and hold on the app icon. Once the pop-up window appears, tap Remove App. You now have two options. Deleting the app removes it from your device completely and is probably what you're wanting to do. You do have another option though, and that's just to remove the app from your home screen. If you choose this option, it'll remove it from your screen, but in the future, you can easily find it inside of the app library. To find the app library, just swipe over to the last screen on your device. With the later releases of iOS, Apple included the app library screen. Here, you can look through every app on your device and even search for ones if you'd like. But you may be getting an error where you only see remove the app from your home screen and deleting the app isn't even an option. We'll look again at trying to delete the Stranger Things game, and after I tap remove app, you see that delete is gone. This may be what you're seeing if you're having the issue. This is how to fix that. First, open the settings app. Next, tap screen time on the main page here. Inside of the screen time page, choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. At the top of this page, your content and privacy restrictions is probably enabled like it is here. You can completely open your device restrictions just by turning this feature off. Now if we head back to the home page and go to delete the game, we see that Delete App is again available. You can then select Delete App and it'll completely remove it from your device. But if you don't want to completely open your device restrictions though, I'll show you where that specific option is located. Again, head back into Settings, Screen Time, and Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn the feature back on at the top and then choose iTunes and App Store Purchases. Inside of here, you'll see the option Deleting Apps. Change that from Don't Allow to Allow. You can also set the rest of these options however you want. Once you make your changes, you can then close settings and you'll be good to go. And that's how you delete an app from your iPhone or iOS device.